Before we get into the video, I have to ask you a question. Are you a woman above the age of 40 that's struggling to lose weight? You want to get off medications? You want to develop more confidence? Well, you can click the link in the description box to gain access to my website, or you can get into contact with me, or you can also contact me via email and Instagram. Me and my team of certified professionals will create you a plan that you can follow from the comfort of your own home. How convenient is that? And I guarantee you results because we will provide you with all the necessary tools that will make improving your health easy and effortless. So if you're interested, reach out to me and I look forward to working with you. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Have you ever contemplated on why some individuals have green eyes and others have blue eyes? Why some people are short, others are tall? Well, that's because of DNA. In today's video, I'll be discussing the function as well as the structure and location of DNA. Let's get into the video. DNA is the blueprint of our biology. It stores genetic information and tells our body how to operate, how to sustain itself, how to grow, and how to develop. DNA is mostly found within the nucleus of a cell where it's organized as chromatin and packaged into chromosomes. Chromatin are strings of fibers that make up DNA. So if you were to take a chromosome and zoom in on that chromosome, you would notice that the chromatin fibers wrap around proteins called histones. This structural arrangement of the chromatin fibers wrapping around histones represent a nucleosome. Now, the significance of this structural arrangement is that it allows DNA to be packaged into the cell because DNA are very long structures. What I just discussed was the physical structure of DNA. Now I'll be discussing the chemical structure of DNA. So if you were to zoom in on DNA, you would notice that DNA are made up of nucleotides. Nucleotides consist of a sugar group, a phosphate group, and 4 bases. Bases are the building blocks of DNA. Now there are 4 bases: adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. What's vital that you remember is that each base has a corresponding base pair. And the bases are usually paired as follows. Adenine binds with thymine, and guanine binds to cytosine. Now, these bases form 3-letter codes or codons that make a specific amino acid. So, each 3-letter base forms a specific amino acid. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. And ultimately, these amino acids bind together, forming a polypeptide or a protein. So what is the overall significance of DNA? DNA is the genetic information that's used by the cells to create proteins that aid and help the body to grow, develop, and sustain itself. All right, guys, if you found this video on DNA very insightful, share this video with somebody who could use it. This is a very simplified explanation of the DNA structure and function. There are many different components to the function as well as the structure of the DNA. But I made sure to touch on the most important components of the DNA structure and function.